this video, I'll show you how to create news videos quickly and easily using AI. In the past, creating news content was a challenging task that involved writing, presenting, and studio work. However, with AI, this process has become incredibly simple. Let me walk you through the step-by-step process. Step 1. Gather news content. First, go to Google News and search for trending articles. Open any article that interests you and copy its content. Next, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite the article in a fresh and unique way. This will give you an original take on the news. Step 2. Convert text to audio. Once you have the rewritten news, it's time to turn it into an audio file. Copy the rewritten text and go to 11labs.io. Create a free account, and once you're logged in, select your preferred voice settings and convert the text into a realistic news audio file. Step 3. Create an AI avatar video. For this step, go to Huygen.com and sign up for a free account. After signing up, find the AI avatar section and choose your news avatar. Set the background to green screen, then upload the audio file you created. Click Generate to create the AI video. Download this green screen video once it's ready. Step 4. Add a news background. Next, search for a news background video on YouTube and download it using an online tool. Now, open a video editing software like CapCut and import both the green screen video and the news background. Place them on the timeline and use CapCut's Chroma Key tool to remove the green screen. Adjust the positioning of your avatar, trim the video as needed, and export the final product. That's it. You've created a professional news video in no time. Here is the demo of your news video, ready to get millions of views.
The city of Springfield, Ohio is going through a very difficult time, the mayor said Sunday, adding that it would be helpful if politicians who amplified false rumors about immigrants eating pets in his city understood the weight of their words.
If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video.